Hi guys, my name is Ali Reza Haydari and welcome to my studio. This is me and I've been drawing about 12 years, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can shade in your drawing. So let's go. At first, you need to know the materials and equipment used for drawing. Today are essentially those which have been used traditionally for centuries, like pencil, pens, brush, paper, etc. And in this video, I'm gonna use graphite. But now in this new playlist, I'm gonna teach you all materials which we use in drawing, especially for shades. So don't miss it. As you can see, you need to know the different parts of the pencil so that you can find their use in different places and drawings. In this video, I'm going to examine different ways of holding a pencil, different angles and different effects. Be careful that you can only improve when you try it by yourself. So prepare your equipment and stay with me from here until the end of the video. I will play music while you are preparing your things. So let's go.